Today I am going to show you how to set up Instagram shopping with Shopify. To kick things off, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. Navigate to the Apps section, then click on Apps and Sales Channel Settings. Then click on Shopify App Store. Search for Instagram in the App Store search bar. Several options will appear, but focus on those offering Instagram shopping capabilities. While there are multiple providers, I recommend opting for the Facebook channel. Why? Because Facebook owns Instagram, streamlining the management process via the Meta Business Suite. Select the Facebook channel and link it to your Shopify store. If you haven't installed the app yet, simply click Install and follow the installation instructions. Once installed, return to your Shopify settings. Open the Apps and Sales Channel section, then select Facebook. From there, connect your Facebook business and Instagram shop to your Shopify store. As you can see, I've already completed this step, but you'll follow the same process to integrate your Meta Business Suite and Instagram shop with Shopify. And voila! You've successfully configured Instagram shopping with Shopify. I trust this guide has been beneficial. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content.